Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Rafiq Aiman bin Muslim and I will present about what is taxation. Firstly, taxation refers to the practice of a government collecting money from its citizens to pay for public services. Without taxation, there would be no public libraries or park. Tax is usually to help fund public works, services and to build and maintain the infrastructures used in a country. Lastly, the examples of taxation are when the government charges a tax on income earned, product purchased, and property owned. Next. The next is objective of taxation. The primary purpose of taxation is to raise revenue to meet huge public expenditure. Most governmental activities must be financed by taxation. And one of the important objectives of taxation is economic development. Economic development of any country is largely conditioned by the growth of capital formation. To overcome the scarcity of capital, governments of these countries mobilize resources so that a rapid capital accumulation take place. To step up both public and private investment, government tax revenues through proper tax planning, the ratio of savings to national income can be raised.
Hello, my name is FARISAZRI RAZALI. Okay, scope of charges. A. Derived and remittance basis. Income derived in that country and overseas income received in that country will be taxable. Tax before 2008. B. World scope basis. Resident company is specialized business. Any income derived from that country or overseas will be taxable. C. Territorial basis. Only income derived in that country will be taxable. Okay, 1.4 type of tax. Firstly is direct tax. But direct tax is paid directly to the revenue authorities by the taxpayer. Example, income tax, stamp duty, real property gain tax. Secondly, indirect tax. Indirect tax is paid indirectly to the revenue authorities by the taxpayer. For example, a third party will collect the tax of their behalf and forward the tax collected to the revenue authorities. For example, is sales tax, service tax, import duty, export duty, and excise duty.
My name is Muhammad ZULHAFIZ HAQIMI bin SALIM. So, classes of income. Classes of income is under section 4, income tax is chargeable on the following cases of income, which is first, gain or profit from a business. Second, gain or profit from the employment. Third, dividends, interest or discount. 4. Rents, royalties, and premium. 5. Pension, annuities, or other predicable payment not falling under any of the foregoing classes. And last is gain or profit not falling under any of the foregoing paragraph. Next is basis period, basis year, and year of assessment. A basis period is the period time of for which a sole trader or partnership pay tax each year. Next, basis year of a year of assessment means the calendar year coinciding with the year of assessment. Failure year means the year in which there is failure to close the account to the normal accounting date. And the normal accounting date is 31 December, and year of assessment means calendar year. Last but not least, year of assessment, which is YA, refers to the year in which income tax is calculated and charged. The assessment is for the income earned in the preceding year, starting on 1 January and ending on 31 December. Example for Year assessment 2020 is the assessment is for the income earned from 1 January 2019 until 31 December 2019.
Next is chargeable person. Under Section 2 of the Income Tax Act 1967, define person to include a company, a body of person, a limited liability partnership, and a corporation. Next, body of person is further defined as unincorporated body of person, not being a company including a Hindu joint family but excluding a partnership. In the case of partnership, it is individual partner who will be assessed tax. Example of body of person would be trust, club, trade association, and cooperative societies. The use of the word includes in S2 suggests that definition of the person is both executive. The categories of person are not limited to what is defined in the Act. Next, it is crucial to establish the concept of person because first, such person will be the chargeable person, accessible to tax on his income derived from such taxable activities. The tax rate applicable to each category of chargeable person varies. Some are taxed at flat rate, while others are taxed at scale rate or reduced rate. That's all from us. Thank you.